Hi everyone, welcome to my channel FC. Today I am going to give information about what is a biofloc. Nowadays people are very careful about their health. If everyone should be healthy means what we should do. We should eat a proper food which contains carbohydrates, proteins, fat and fiber. We know where we get all these. Let's talk about proteins. We get proteins from fish, chicken, goat meat and sheep meat. If we compare this above meat, we get more percent of protein in fish, which is very good for health. Even doctors suggest to eat fish for better eye vision. In India, we have a different types of fish farming. Let's talk about some traditional fish farming culture in India. A commonly used fish farming culture is in ponds, rivers, cages. Ponds are the most commonly employed, least intensive aquaculture system with a huge land space and huge quantity of water. Cage culture generally involves taking all the fish you would normally allow to roam free in the pond and put them in one place. All of this type of traditional fish farming requires large amount of space and large quantity of water. But some of the countries not having a proper water for drinking or for any other purposes. For that particular countries, some of the scientists has invented a different type of fish farming with a technology. Let's talk about that technology. The one is RAS. RAS means recirculating aquaculture system. No matter how small, how large, considered to be among the most intensive of form of aquaculture. In this technology, do not need required as much water as other production systems required, but they required sufficient energy, equipment and managerial expertise. In the RAS system, there is a machinery which recycles the water and filter the water and keeps water all the time circulating. In this system, fish consume more quantity of feed. Feed consumption ratio will be very high and the water should be maintained all the time pure. Implementing this culture and the next culture started biofloc. That's our main topic. Biofloc technology is a technique of enhancing water quality in aquaculture through balancing carbon and nitrogen. This technology has recently gained attention as a sustainable method to control water quality. In this system, we fill the water in the tanks once in 6 months. After adding the fish releases the waste which is known as ammonia. To reduce that ammonia, we add molasses and probiotics which helps to form algae, means moss, which is also used as a fish feed. When we add molasses along with the probiotics, that takes ammonia and give life to a algae. In this bioflux system, there is a recirculation of waste feed, fish waste with molasses and oxygen. In this bioflux system, we just need less amount of water based on the tank capacity. Once we fill the tank once, then until the harvesting of the fish, we no need to change the water. Daily there will be some amount of sludge, which is a fish waste, which we need to release in the morning. That will be approximately 5 liters per day. And in this bioflux system, we no need any machinery except aeration. Aeration is air oxygen to the fish. This aeration system helps to improve dissolved oxygen in a water, which is very helpful to grow fish fast. In the next episode, I am going to give an explanation about advantages and disadvantages of bioflux system.